Hi, I'm Red. You're watching Power Garage. Today I'm going to do a build breakdown, and we're going to go take it on the road and tune the boost solenoid. This is one of my good customers, DJ. Pretty simple setup. It's got a K24 TSX motor with an RSX head, stock cams, stock internals. I didn't do anything to the inside of this motor. We're going to build it later, but you know what? Right now, finances aren't the best, so you got to do what you can. Skunk 2 manifold, 74mm throttle body, and we're running a water-to-air intercooler. I love these things because you can see, look at, you got the boost pipe right here going into the throttle body, intercooler pipe in the back, and then that's it. We got a 6262 and just a full 3-inch exhaust. Transmission is stock. It's got a sprung 6-putt clutch, LSD transmission, and that's about it. It's pretty basic setup, nothing too crazy. But you know, when he takes it to Mexico, he breaks people off. So, I mean, that's what the car is for. Later, we're going to build the motor, but you know what? That's going to take a little bit of time. So, we're going to take you guys for a ride and kind of see how this thing pulls. Mexican Via Rápida, doing a couple pulls real quick. We're just trying to dial in the boost. I tried setting the boost. Here, give me a second, DJ. I tried setting the boost. Here, let off the gas. Yeah. I set the boost at 28%, and we're trying to see, give me a second, DJ. We're trying to see if we'll hit like 10 pounds. So that's what I'm targeting. Because we're just trying to figure out at what duty cycle gives you what boost level. So here, let's do a pull real quick, DJ. Yeah, that's a little high. So yeah, I think 27 will be good for that boost level. So I'm gonna set this up, edit the table, GT 27. All right, put on the gas. And
that's the one I beat.
Now I'm gonna upload.
That's that Roush.
It is, huh?
Here, just give me a second, DJ. Okay. And then we're also trying to target 14 pounds. So this one says, what is it, 38? Alright, let off the gas. And I'm gonna upload, and then we're trying to target 14 pounds. So when you have a clearing, we're gonna do a little pull. I don't know if you feel like you can, DJ. Alright, now let's see if it hits 14. I'm trying to target 14. Here, let's try 37 here. Let off the gas. Alright, let's see where that gets us. Okay. Just whenever you're ready, DJ. Man, this thing pulls hard. Alright, go ahead. Yeah, that's right there, dude. So I think we're straight. So woo! These NTL1s, these are crazy ass tires. Alright, so 37 is good. Now what I want to do is I also want to find where the cutoff point is, like 8 pounds of boost. Here, let off. Okay. Now let's try to do another pull, and then hopefully we can hit 8 pounds on this one, because he's just not getting good traction in the lower gears. Alright, go. Don't do that.
I just don't like doing pulls over corners. Hold on. Ready?
Go. No, okay. No. We need to go lower. Alright, let off. Yeah, so we just gotta dial this in and kind of see where it gets us. Then we can try to do a little bit of digs, so you actually get traction in first and second.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna try 18%. We're looking for like 8 pounds. So whenever you're ready, DJ.
Another pull?
Yeah. You can do a 4th gear if you want.
Of course.
go.
1 second, 1 second.
Okay, let's see.
2, 1.
Yeah, we were getting like 9. How'd that feel though? Still felt pretty good?
It felt alright.
Okay, let's bump this down to 17. Let's see where we're at. Oh, sorry. Alright.
Yeah?
Yeah, let's try it again. Yeah, you just gotta kind of play with it and see where it gets you. Alright. Woo! Man, it pulls hard even at like 9 pounds. Yeah, I think that might be our the limit.
For third?
Just in general. Here, let off.
Yeah.
No, I mean that might be the minimum amount of boost we can run. Let's try one more time, and then I think we're good.
Maybe it's the last.
All right, go ahead. One more pull, and then we'll get off. Go.
Oh shit, I was in fifth.
You're good. You're good. You're good.
Get off right here.
And then what'd you say you wanted? You want 8 pounds in first and 10 in second?
Yeah, first,
Okay.
8, 10, second.
So we're gonna pull over real quick, and then I'm gonna put these settings that I think we got dialed in pretty good, and then we're gonna get back on the freeway, and we're gonna see what it gets us.
Yeah.
We got the boost all set up. DJ's gonna try to do a little pull. We're gonna see how it turns out. Hey, that turned out pretty nice. He was supposed to do a burnout and heat up the tires, but I think he did pretty good coming off first gear. Quarter. All right, so it's running good. DJ's happy. You know, we're gonna go head back to the pad and just go over the car and make sure everything's good, so we can go out to the runs and get that shit handled. So like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.